Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the error processing messages issue in Slack. This issue usually happens due to temporary glitches, unstable internet, formatting problems, or cache-related issues. First, refresh the tab or restart the app. If you are using Slack in a browser, reload the tab. If you are using the desktop or mobile app, close it completely and open it again. This alone can fix temporary processing issues. Next, check your internet connection, open any browser, search for a speed test, run it, and make sure your connection is stable before trying again. After that, rewrite your message in a simpler format. Sometimes the message itself causes the error, especially if it contains too many symbols, special characters, or complex formatting. Try shortening the message and sending it again. Next, remove any attachments or links and try again. Files, images, or embedded links can sometimes interfere with Slack's message processing. Send plain text first, then add attachments afterward if needed. Finally, if the issue continues, update Slack, clear the cache, or sign out and sign back in. These steps help fix deeper app or session-related issues. In most cases, the error disappears after refreshing Slack, simplifying the message, or removing attachments. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Slack message processing errors by refreshing Slack, checking the internet connection, rewriting messages in a simpler form, removing attachments, and updating or resetting the app session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.